I'm Mancuso, the landing doctor, and today's video is how do we start a Bristell with the Rotax engine. First we have to put on the master switch. Then we need to put on avionics switch. Then we need to put on EFIS 1. We have EFIS 2, which would work the second screen, but we're just going to focus on EFIS 1 for now. That's the starting procedure. Then this is showing your databases, and they were all just updated. So we hit continue. We touch this screen and it brings up a full screen. You can hit the menu button and it gives map detail options. So what we want is declutter 1 least, and then we go back, and now the screen is much clearer. It took out all the roads. You could go to this button, touch full, and it goes back to the other screen. You can go to this insert box, and this has the traffic. Since this plane is a carbureted plane, we would have the choke on, throttle closed. Then we would hit the starter button there, and when it starts we would give it a little bit of throttle, and then we take the choke off, and then we would be ready to go. So that's how you would start the Bristell, and a little bit tutorial on how to work the avionics. So that's Mancuso, the landing doctor. Fly with limitations and stay safe.